coming in from Queens, coming home. 2 stops from my east Northport stop, and the frequencies start blasting me. As soon as I get through Cold Spring Harbor, the frequencies just I start hearing this fucking high-pitched ringing in my ears. And I start getting hit with stinging, burning sensations on my body, on my legs, my face. I don't know what's out here, but there's something out here that's not good. I mean, I get the mind control shit and everything in the city, but I get really hit with the frequencies out here on Long Island. And it's got to be HAARP. They have their HAARP facility out here. You know, this is HAARP Central. This is where it all comes from. That's why I'm here. Montauk. When I left this morning, there was a guy with a T-shirt. Montauk. The end. Yeah, it is probably the end of the world out there. God knows what the fuck they're doing out there. Satanic bastards. I was listening to this guy. He made a post on my TI group on Facebook, and I've got about over 1,100 members right now. It's growing. And he stated it was a big thing about Satanism, and he says that these people are in love with evil, and they want to manifest their Antichrist through. They want to create an Antichrist with genetic engineering, so he'll be a real human devil that they can create. I tell you, these people are in love with evil. There's absolutely no doubt about it. They are satanic. This whole New World Order is about taking evil as far as they're just in love with satanic power, evil power, and doing harm and torturing and evil shit. And they're trying to manifest these demons into our dimension. And I think that's part of what chemtrails is doing. I don't know everything about it, but it's just my gut feeling about chemtrails. I know it's all about mind control, but I think there's another element to it. And I think these entities or demons or whatever you want to call it are being put into this dimension via chemtrails. So I think that's what this stuff is about. So but there's definitely some evil shit going on out here in East End. Well, you can see our chemical shit for the day. Step out my door. This is what I get to look at every day. The land of the psychos. I found a really great post today about Colin Powell. He was busted having an affair with some Romanian diplomat for the past 10 years. Somebody hacked his emails. Oh, such fitting justice. Somebody hacked Mr. CIA's emails and blew the whistle on his fucking affair. Mr. Godly man, cheating on his wife for the past 10 years. They're all fucking criminals. They're all fucking two-faced, bold-ass liars. And well, he's a fucking Satanist. And somebody made a post on there. It explains why he went to the dark side. Well, I think the article goes into a lot of other shit too. I didn't read the whole thing, but That fucker lives on the dark side. Him and Bush. I think they helped create the dark side. And it is. I posted it right up top on my Facebook page. These are the fuckers that are targeting me. Bush, Powell, Cheney. They are the dark side. In fact, I got a picture of them. They're all dressed in black suits. Powell, Cheney, Rumsfeld, Bush. And Bush has his red tie on, his blood tie for death and blood, which he wore on 9/11. These fuckers are satanic son of a bitches from hell. I have absolutely no doubt about that. And they're probably in bed with these fuckers that are spraying this shit. Whether there's some kind of demonic shit going on with that, I don't know. Who knows what the hell they're doing in our skies anymore. Probably opening up portals for these demonic son of a bitches. We are definitely dealing with some fucking dark shit here, folks. And those bastards are right on top of the list. Powell, Cheney, and Bush.